Today's topic is to find the index of the last occurrence of the substring. So we are going to solve this problem by using the two methods, that is by using an rfind method and by using an rindex method. Let's start from the first method, that is by using an rfind method. So first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to initialize our substring, and after that we are going to use an rfind method over here in which we are going to pass the one parameter, that is the substring, and we are going to call it by using this string 1, since we need to find the substring into the string number 1. And after that, finding the substring into our string number 1, that is the string, it is going to return that particular index of the string of the last occurrences of that substring, and we are going to store it into the variable x, and after that we have them as an output. The another thing is the rfind is basically much more like an find method over here, and similarly the rindex over here also is the same as the rfind over there and the find method. So in the method 2 we are using an rindex method, which is completely same as the rfind, and we got the same result, that is the 16 over here.